picked up these trash cans. I did a video on them already. I think they're really cool. If you haven't seen the video, it's right here. The top comes off and has a little spring to hold the latch in. I always like the color. I also got this not too long ago. It's a pencil holder. I thought it looked like a cool little trash can. This was from Dollar Tree. To me it looked like a wire trash bin. A great place for that. This other thing was also from Dollar Tree. It's a rolling trash bin. This is the only color they had. I kind of wish they had a green one, because I would have got that one. At the time I purchased this, they only had this color. I think these are pretty cool. And a really neat way to fill in some dioramas. Well, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you have a collection of trash cans for your dioramas? Don't forget to click that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.